Hi, I'm Maggie, an instructor with the Miami Association of Realtors, and I wanted to share information with you about some of the products and services that you receive as a Miami member. If you've ever had a client ask you about new developments or pre-construction, there's a service that allows you to search those, and it's called NewHomeSource Professional, easily accessible from your dashboard. If you click on NewHomeSource Professional, you're taken to a website that allows you to search new developments and pre-construction by city, zip code, school district, or even community name. Once you've searched for homes in these areas, you can save the listings, you can save the searches, and you also can create a client database and import contacts into NewHomeSource Professional. This is a great site that gives you tips and tricks on how to deal with new developments, how to sell them, and possible information that would be helpful for the consumer. If you have any other questions about NewHomeSource Professional, please feel free to reach out and let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you for being a Miami member.